What's up everybody, this is Brian from City Gone Fishing, and I'm out here in Oceanside. It is kind of exciting and it is super cold. It's like below 40 or something like that, so I don't know if the fish are gonna bite. It's like 3 in the morning. We'll see how that works. Okay, so there's literally like a crazy person out there with his shirt off in this crazy wind, and he's just yelling and slapping himself silly. Don't know whether to report him or just leave him alone because he's chill. I don't know. Slightly unsettling, but he hasn't really bothered me yet. The sun is about to rise, which is good because I am freezing. Freezing, everybody. The wind is so cold. It's about to get beautiful out here. What I love about sunrise is, like, I don't think a lot of people realize the color of the sky is actually rainbow. It's like red, orange, yellow, slight green, a bit of blue, and then of course the purple violet sky. There's the sun. Hurry up, sun. It's super cold. Hurry up. That's a really weird lens flare that looks like a little insect. Oh, I got one. Got one. Yeah. Got some. Oh, it's kind of tangled up though. No. Okay, come on. Oh, it's running. It's running. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. We caught one. Check it out, Diane. First fish of the day. Alright, it is. Wait. Oh no. No. What up? Finally. But I tangled every line to do it. Seriously, dude? Come on. Oh my gosh. No, my gosh. No freaking way. You're not gonna believe this. And you're not gonna freaking believe this. I'm gonna grab another sabiki. Here we go. Got one. Oh, there he goes. Do you see it? Oh. His side winding, his head shaking. It's not a bad size. There we go. Go pros. Nope. What the heck is it, right? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, right? It doesn't make any sense at all. Like, I'm like, what is it stuck on? Like, what's there to be stuck on? Like, alright, buddy. Boy, you're a bloody fish. Gotta perform a little miniature surgery the way you swallow this thing. Okay. There you go. How's that? Yeah? You good? Alright. If I bring it up to the surface, you see that color? You see that? It's technically just, my sabiki is floating right below that. And doing that. Making it look a little bit like a fish. A school of fish that's like swimming around, you know? And I see, if you look carefully at it, you see the fish coming up to attack. See? Oh, see that? All those fish coming out from the bottom. You see it? Oh. That's my theory. Although this guy is semi-sly. If you will calm down real quick. Okay. Remember, always cover their eyes. I don't know why. They just kind of relax. Don't poke their eye. Ooh, okay. It's a fighter for some reason. Okay. Slightly small, but it's a fighter. I don't know what the deal is with this guy. Alright. Oh, look, I'm bringing all the bait fish to me because they think I'm their friend. Oh, got one. I know. It's a treble hook. It better not come off. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it came off again. Okay, I'm replacing this hook.
How on earth does it come off a treble hook? There we go. Got one. Yep. Oh, don't get tangled. That's the one thing I don't need you to do. Yep, don't get tangled, right? Alright. Hey. Okay. Oh. Hey. It struck like... Ooh, this is a nice bait fish. Okay. Oh. Yeah.